After checking how popular a product is, you also want to check both the competition and how saturated the market is. So let's head over to Amazon.com and research the markets on our list. The two example niches I will be researching are pit bulls and bowling. When searching on Amazon for good markets for our t-shirts, we really only want to see what's selling well for other t-shirt designers on Amazon. So to only pull up search results for other t-shirt designers, we have to use a special trick when searching for our market. Before typing in the topics from your list into the search box, you want to paste in lightweight, classic fit, double needed sleeve, and bottom hem. I'll show you where you can copy this from shortly. After pasting this in, you can then type in one of the topics from your list. I'm going to start with bowling. By pasting this in before searching our topics, we can pull up only the search results that show other t-shirt designers. So if you notice in my search results, under each photo you see a gray box that shows the shirt's BSR right there on the search page. Without this, in order to see a shirt's BSR ranking, you'll have to click on the shirt listing, scroll down to product details, and search the BSR here. But to save you the time of having to do this, I'm going to show you where to get the AMZ Seller Browser app. This free Chrome app allows you to see each product's BSR without having to click on the product listing. Once you download and activate the AMZ Seller Browser app, you'll see this little gray box here that shows the product BSR, the category, and also other information such as the BSR history and price history. So now let's install the app onto your Chrome browser. Go over to Google and search for AMZ Seller Browser. Click on the first search results that says AMZ Seller Browser Chrome Web Store. This should take you directly to the app download page. Once you're in the Chrome store, if you like, you can read some more information about the app and look at some of the reviews. But once you're ready, you'll see a button at the top right that says Add to Chrome. Mine's already been added to Chrome, so it says Add it to Chrome. Once the AMZ Seller Browser app has been added to your Chrome browser, you'll see a little shopping cart icon right next to the search bar. Simply click this little icon to turn the app on or off at any time. So now that you can easily check all the products' BSRs directly from the search page, let's head back over to Amazon and do some market research. In order to update the search results with the AMZ Seller Browser, you have to click on the icon, then refresh the page. So once I turn the app off and refresh the page, all the gray boxes disappear. But when you're ready to start doing your research, click on the icon to turn it back on and refresh the page again. It may take a few seconds for all the boxes to appear depending on your internet connection. So now let's discuss how to tell which markets and topics are selling the best on Amazon using the BSR. The BSR stands for bestseller ranking and is a very useful tool for seeing customer demand. The lower the BSR number, the more units of that product sells per day. So when researching the topics on your list, you want to find the markets where the products on page 1 have the lowest BSR. A 50,000 BSR for this bowling shirt is actually very good, which means this sells between 2 to 4 sales per day. But you also want to check the other shirts on this page as well to make sure it's just not this single shirt that's selling, but the market as a whole. I see multiple shirts that are under 1 million BSR, which is a really good sign for the bowling market. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll likely run into some shirts that don't have a BSR at all. This either means that the shirts are brand new to the platform or they haven't made any sales. So by judging the BSR for bowling, I can tell that the shirts are selling well and the market would be good to enter. So now let's go to the next example topic on my list, which is pit bulls. I have AMZ Seller Browser enabled so I can easily see all the BSRs right underneath the product pictures. So let's scroll through the search results and see how well the shirts are selling. The first thing I notice is that the top 2 search results have very high BSRs. With BSRs that high, these shirts likely only sell between 1 and 2 shirts per month. And if I continue scrolling down, you'll see that none of the other shirts even have a BSR. So judging by this search data, I would cross pit bulls off my list. So go ahead and research all the topics on your list, and I'll see you in the next lecture where we'll go over how to do keyword research for our product listing. Hey, Jason here again with Quantum Courses, and thanks for checking out this video preview. To get the full course and view our other online courses and masterclasses, head over to jasongandy.org or click the link down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button, and I'll see you next time.